this is the big or little monster in the room. Estimated tax is the most, or lack of paying estimated tax, is the most common problem I encounter among my clients, whether my clients are businesses or individuals. This is the idea that you need to calculate and submit tax on your own. And this only happens for the most part when you're in business for yourself, you have an entity that's passed through. It's the opposite of being paid wages, whereby your employer is withholding tax at a rate that you specify, okay? Now, wages can become a problem too if you're claiming too many exemptions and not withholding enough tax. It's a huge mistake, and we'll get to that separately. But estimated tax is this idea that you need to pay tax on your income before you use that money for anything else that's personal, all right? It's the idea that you have gross income. This is all of the income that comes in associated with your business. You are permitted to use that income to take on business-related expenses that are used to promote the ability to collect more gross receipts. But there are a lot of rules about how much you can claim with regard to certain of these types of business expenses. But ultimately, we're tallying up these expenses by expense category, and we're arriving at net profits. That's the concept of gross receipts less deductible business expenses, net profits at the end. Tax is on the net profits at the end. Okay, and this is where the estimated tax gets calculated, and this is where the estimated tax needs to be paid before things like rent, things like food, things like luxuries. All right, and that is one of the first threshold issues that I deal with just about all clients that I have, just about all of them. This is a central problem, and a lot of people just don't know how to go about calculating it. What are the federal requirements? What are the state requirements? It's really very straightforward stuff. Once I've retained, I'm here to help you with that, and there's also the benefit of accountants as well that I work with. It's just not that complicated as soon as you wrap your mind around it, and it's nice to have someone who can walk you through that process, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. So I hope you're enjoying these videos wherein I'm trying to connect with you and give you a sense of what to expect when you reach out to me for assistance with a tax issue or tax questions. If you enjoy this format and you'd like me to try to answer some questions for you using this format, please write into me and let me know what your questions are. I'd be happy to try to address them in these videos. Also, if you just have a question in general, just reach out and give me a call.